Most of you don't know why you people are lacking behind in the way you improve your lives because of tactical movement. See, chicken is the reason why people do not move forward in life. They tell you people, because you are chicken, you think you are soft. But that is not true. I will show you why. Come here. You see this? Herringbone formation. This one is protecting this one on the right. This one protected on the left. Protected on the right. Protected on the left. And they've got the whole army behind us. And guess what? You can never get attacked by another chicken ever in your life. Because guess what? Most people don't want to die and everybody's a chicken.
Subscribe for more.